Good morning and welcome to camp. I'm just out in the paddock at the moment, holding my phone, shaking all over the place. And I just wanted to show you this tree. It's a very interesting tree. It's dying and it's becoming dangerous, and I'll show you why. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Subscribe and like, and you'll be notified when I have more videos coming out. Let's have a look at this dead tree. Looks like a perfectly good tree from this side until you get to the top and you see all them dead branches up there. Camera's a little shaky today. I'm just using my phone. I just wanted to show you this tree and its death throes. You can see the rot's got into the hardwood well and truly halfway into the base of this tree, and it's a big tree, and the living bark has tried to repair it, but as you go up it's clearly in death throes. It's got less and less greenery, branches are dropping off, branches are dying up there. There's at least 3 dead up there, and it's in trouble. But in saying that, it's a really big tree, and when it comes down, I don't want to be anywhere near it.